Hi guys, this is Lorelia with WTI. And if you're a home-based customer service agent or a sales agent, well, I have the best noise canceling headphone for you. These ones are the newbie wireless headphones. I used to wear wired headphones before for my job, but after a few hours, my ears started to hurt. Plus, I had to be constrained to my desk. So that's why I got these wireless noise canceling headphones. And the difference actually has been like night and day. Now I have more freedom of movement. I can stand up at any time. Even if I'm talking, I could stand up and do something. While I'm waiting for inbound calls, I can get up, make myself some coffee perhaps, walk around, which is great for tension relief. And the earphones are very comfortable to use. The noise canceling feature is amazing. It does a great job isolating your voice so background noise won't be heard or hardly be heard by the caller. And this makes me feel so much more comfortable when I'm in a call. I think these are the best headphones you can find if you're working from home. And this is why I really recommend these wireless headsets. And that is my point of view.